Now we are going to begin with our today's EVS class. Now in EVS, in the previous class, we have learnt about different vehicles that move on land, that is on the road, and we have written the name of those different vehicles, isn't it? And we have also learnt that a part of land transports, we have two other ways of transport, that is air transport and water transport. Then we have something that run on the track, and that is trains. There are different type of trains also, isn't it? So what are we going to do today? As in previous class, we have written the name of vehicles that run on the road. So today we are going to write the name of those vehicles that fly in the air and move on water. Is that clear to everyone? So you all are prepared to begin with the classes then? Great. So now for this you have to do today's work in your EVS notebook. But before starting your work, let's see and write the names on the board, and then I will tell you how you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay class? Great. So now let's begin with the work. So let's first write down the name of different air transports. Okay. So air transport, first name that is coming to my mind is something that is having blades on the top. जब वो उड़ता है उससे पहले जो उसके ऊपर ब्लेड्स लगे होते हैं, पंख लगे होते हैं, वो गोल गोल घूमना स्टार्ट करते हैं. So can you tell me what is that? It's a helicopter. Yes. Now how will you differentiate among helicopter and aeroplane? Aeroplane don't have any blades, but a helicopter is having blades. ऊपर टॉप पे भी होते हैं और जो पीछे उसकी टेल होती है वहां पे भी ब्लेड लगे होते हैं. क्लियर? जब ये दोनों साथ साथ मूव करते हैं तभी हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लाई करना स्टार्ट करता है. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट डाउन द नेम हेलीकॉप्टर. HELICOPTER. So the name that we have written is helicopter. HELICOPTER, helicopter. Done. Now next one, as I told you, the one that carries passengers with it, very big in size और बहुत सारे passengers को carry करता है. So that is aeroplane. Yes. So how we are going to write? AEROPLANE. So that is aeroplane. 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 Clear? Now after aeroplane, the next one we have is rocket. How we are going to write? ROCKET. So can anyone tell me who uses a rocket? The scientists when they have to visit space. जब उन्हें space में जाना होता है, कुछ research work करनी होती है, so what they use? They sit in the rocket and the rocket takes them to space with such a speed you can't even imagine. बहुत स्पीड से वो हमें जो भी साइंटिस्ट जाना चाहते हैं उसको रॉकेट में बिठाइए और रॉकेट को छोड़ देते हैं, then it takes the scientist to the space. Is that clear? So we have learned helicopter, aeroplane, rocket. Now the next one we have is something that is having balloon and a basket. Yes, can you remember that? What I taught you? A big balloon which is filled with gas fly up and it is having a basket with it. उसके साथ एक basket लगा होता है and people they stand on in the basket and they also fly with the balloon. So it's a hot air balloon. Yes. So we will write hot air balloon. So how we will write? H-O-T, hot air balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Clear? Now the next one we have is something that looks like an aeroplane, but the people sitting in this are less in number. Aeroplane में तो बहुत सारे बैठ सकते हैं ना, but when we are talking about this particular vehicle, इसमें कम लोग बैठते हैं. Yes, can anyone tell me what is that? It's a glider. So we will write that here. G-L-I-D-E-R, glider. Now class, again big spellings hai, but let's see how we have written them. The first we have written is helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Easy. Then we have aero, A-E-R-O, aero, plane, plug-in, plane, aeroplane. Rocket, rocket. Then we have hot air balloon. Hot, air, balloon, balloon. And then we have glider. Isn't it? They are easy to write, easy to pronounce if you will follow the sounds there. Okay? Now, next we have is some water transport. Those which can travel on water. Now see, helicopter, aeroplane, all these cannot travel on water. No, they cannot. Neither your car, bike, scooter can travel. Isn't it? So, there are some specific things, or you can say some specific vehicles that travel on water. So, let's write the name of those also. Shall we begin? Okay. The first one we have is dip, dip, dip. My blue ship sailing on the water like a cup and saucer. Dip, dip, dip. My blue ship. You remember this poem we did yesterday? So the first one that we are going to write is ship. Ship. Isn't it? We have done this in sh sound also and ip sound also. So ship. Now the number 2. Next we are going to write is boat. But there are two different type of boats. What are those? One is sailboat and the other one is rowboat. तो अब आप मुझे बताएंगे डिफरेंस क्या होता है? Okay, let me write the name here. Sailboat. S-A-I-L, sail. B-O-A-T, boat. Sailboat क्या होती है? See here. If you have ever seen, इस तरह से बोट होती है. One which is having some cloths tied like this. तो ये जो होता है इस पार्ट को, जो क्लॉथ होता है ट्रायंगल शेप में, इसको कहते हैं सेल. ये कैनवस या क्लॉथ का बना होता है. एंड व्हेन द एयर, जब एयर बहुत तेज हवा चलती है तो वो क्या करती है? देखिए हवा में कपड़े उड़ते हैं ना, सो वो क्या करती है? इस कपड़े के ऊपर एक हवा का प्रेशर बनता है. Okay, and then that pressure moves the boat. So we use sail to move the boat. Those are called sailboat. Second one we have is, the second boat we have is rowboat. Rowboat कौन सी होती है? जिसमें आपने देखा होगा oars यूज होते हैं. इस तरह के चप्पू होते हैं, पानी में चलाए जाते हैं वो. एंड दे आर मूव्ड बाय समबडी सिटिंग. rowboat. Now a part of this, now we have ship, sailboat, rowboat. So can you tell me now one more type of water transport? Yes, बहुत बिग शिप की तरह होता है, लेकिन ये हमें बहुत दूर जगहों पे नहीं ले जाता, नियर बाय एरियाज में जाने के लिए, जिसमें आपको अपने कई बार व्हीकल्स भी ले जाने होते हैं. जैसे सी वी हैव मेट्रोज, राइट, फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सिमिलरली जो सिटीज या जो जगहें पानी के सराउंडिंग में होती हैं, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए लोकल बोट यूज करती हैं, जिनको कहते हैं फेरी. क्या कहते हैं? फेरी. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन फेरी. FERRY. That is ferry. Clear? Now one last type of water travel we have, water transport. So what is that? One that moves in the water. आप देखेंगे ship, sailboat, rowboat, ferry, ये सब कहाँ चलती हैं? On the water. ये water के ऊपर होती हैं. But now I am talking about something that moves in the water. वो पानी में पूरा डूब जाती है और फिर चलती है. So tell me what is that? Think of it. मैम ने आपको बताया था कि ये हमारे डिफरेंट जो आर्मीज हैं, लाइक नेवी, द वन हु प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द वाटर एरिया, वो यूज करती है सबसे ज्यादा इसको. टेल मी. इट्स सबमरीन. यस. So let's write that. Submarine. So it is submarine. See, submarine. Submarine. Is that clear to everyone? So today we have learned about those transports that fly in the air and use water to move. Clear? So the one that move, the air transports, we are going to revise first. The one that fly in the sky. Which are they? HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Then we have AEROPLANE. Aeroplane. Then we have rocket. ROCKET. Then we have hot air balloon. Then glider. The fifth one we have is glider. Now similarly, if we talk about water transports, we have ship, we have sailboat, we have rowboat. And I told you what is the difference between a sailboat and a rowboat. It's not robot, it's rowboat. And we have ferry, and last we have is submarine. Is that clear? So now class, today we have to write all these names in our EVS notebook. But how we are going to write, I'll just tell you, because we are going to write all these names on one page. So let's see how to do the work in notebook. So now take out your EVS notebook and write down today's date, classwork, and then let's see how to do the work in notebook today. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our work in notebook today. Okay? First you will write today's date, that is 11th February 2021. Write down the topic air transport and mention classwork. Clear? Now can you see I have left 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, and after that I have written water transport. So like this you will write water transport after leaving 4 lines, और फिर उसके नीचे भी we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Clear? So now let's start writing different air and water transport. Don't forget to write numbers. So first we are going to write helicopter. So see, HELICOPTER. It's helicopter. Then after that we have written aeroplane. 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 Then after aeroplane we have written rocket. ROCKET. What is this? Rocket. Now next we have is hot air balloon. So we will write hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Now the fifth one we can write on this side. So write 5 here, and that is glider. GLIDER. So it is glider. Clear? Now after this, let us write the name of different water transports. So can you tell me the name of some water transports? Again, we will write number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on this side. Don't forget कि आपको ये numbering ज़रूर करनी है. Okay? So the first one we have is ship. 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 Then the other one we have is sailboat. SAIL. Sail. BOAT. Boat. Sailboat. Now after sailboat, which one we have next? Rowboat. So now we are going to write rowboat. Clear? Then we have ferry. 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 And after that we have written submarine. SUB. Sub. MARINE. Submarine. Clear? So like this, we are going to write the name of different transports. So the air transports are helicopter, aeroplane, rocket, hot air balloon and glider. Then we have water transports. They are ship, sailboat, rowboat, ferry and submarine. Clear? So this is how you will do your today's classwork. Understood everyone how you are going to do? Like this, you will first do your classwork and your homework will be learn them and write again. आपको क्या करना है? इनको पहले तो लर्न करना है. First you are going to learn them all and after that you will write them again on the next page as your today's homework. Is that clear to everyone? How you will do your classwork and homework today? class. I hope you have understood how you are going to finish your today's work in EVS notebook. Now only writing is not enough. So what you have to do? You have to learn the name of all these different transports and do it as your today's homework also. Clear? Bye for now and please get ready for your next class. Take care.